Hey, you're an affiliate and you've clicked to see the sales page. We're still working on it, so I decided to make a quick summary video explaining what the offer is about and why you'll want to mail for it. So let's go ahead and talk about it. It's a game-changing opportunity in the real estate market sub-niche, one that can transform your subscribers' businesses by helping mortgage professionals thrive like they've never ever experienced before. You see, the mortgage industry has a landscape that's shifted, and that's exactly why your list will discover how to turn challenges into triumphs for these professionals. And guess what? It's perfect timing. It's no secret that mortgage professionals and brokers and loan officers are having to go through some massive changes. And if they don't, their businesses can literally die. Think about it. Interest rates are climbing, sales are dipping, and mortgage brokers are feeling the squeeze. I'm talking about the real estate market across the nation. It's all over the media. Everywhere you turn, you'll see it. Here's something else they're facing. On one hand, there are those self-proclaimed elixir sellers flooding the market with bogus offers and marketing services. On the other hand, there's a surge of direct competition as lenders and banks tighten their loan approval guidelines. To be blunt, it's damn hard right now for them to drum up business. Their traditional tactics aren't cutting it anymore. Mortgage professionals are facing a significant challenge and they need solutions fast. So in short, why should your list focus on the mortgage niche? It's simple. In a down market, they face less competition, and their mortgage broker prospects are hungrier for their services. Plus, and here's a biggie, they're willing to pay more because, let's face it, the potential payday on just one or two closings for mortgage professionals is substantial, and that's what they're banking on. Now let's get real about what mortgage professionals are craving. They've been relying on traditional methods like cold calling and networking and hounding realtors for referrals. But here's the catch. These methods are often time-consuming and ineffective in today's market. And if they want to buy leads from those run-of-the-mill lead vendors online, they're going to have to deal with leads that are often shared by 10 to 12 other mortgage brokers. So what's the solution? Enter the Rev Up method. It's all about leveraging the best online ads platform I've seen for reaching prospects who are already interested in mortgages. I'm speaking from the heart when I say it's really the best I've ever seen in this niche. And I've been using it for almost 4 years now in my own business. The best part is that most consultants don't know about it. Let me explain that to you. Picture yourself as a mortgage broker. This social hub can identify potential home buyers and those interested in mortgage loans right away. With the Rev Up method, you don't need a pitch. You offer them a secret incentive instead. Often this won't even mention anything about mortgages in the ad. The consultant will cleverly place this one-of-a-kind enticement in front of a key audience from sites with mega traffic, from real estate search sites. It's the shortcut of all shortcuts, and this bangs out the leads at a tune of 15 leads a day, sometimes more, sometimes less, for in many cases, $1 per lead. And would you believe that these leads will also run through a built-in qualifier that weeds out prospects who say, yes, I'm interested in a mortgage? That's a 180, right? These leads are overall happy to get a call from your mortgage broker client. No more abrupt hangups or grumpy prospects, just genuinely happy people eager to connect with your list's new clients. This approach can help your subs build a list of warm leads for their new clients, ones that actually convert into closed deals, and that's what these mortgage brokers want. In fact, it's not uncommon for these mortgage professionals to book 3 appointments every workday and transform their teeter-totter business into thriving empires. And guess what else? The fees your subscribers can bring in for running the 15-minute service can be just as attractive. We're talking about $9.97 up front and $4.47 a month ongoing. This has all the perks and checks all the boxes for a blockbuster launch that will make your wallets fat. I'm deeply convicted and stand fully behind the method as a true service to offer your list. In a world where traditional approaches fall short, this method is a game changer. It's simple, it's straightforward, it's incredibly effective. Take a look at my JV page and get prepared to offer a solution that makes a difference. I'll see you on launch day.